Boy be with the beard. So let's go and get right into it. First and foremost, make sure you guys go to blackmensgroomingden.com. We have beard care products, hair care products, oral care products, skin care products, blackmensgroomingden.com. So number one, avoid meat that is not grass fed. Okay. Avoid meat that is not grass fed. The meat that's not grass fed, they have antibiotics. They pump hormones into the animals, which then throws off our hormones. Also, they are eating soy-based food as well, because soy is cheap. Number two, avoid food additives. So if you're looking at the back of the box or back of a package or whatever, check for food additives. They're going to have soy that's going to be made from soy, wheat, and other grains. Number three, they did a study where they found Xerulino estrogen-like fungi that were on the wheat and the grains. So you guys may want to avoid that as well, because that suppresses testosterone because it increases estrogen. Number four, avoid the chicken that eat corn and soy. So of course, just regular chicken, they're feeding the chicken soy, they're feeding the chicken corn. Also, if you see a chicken that's a vegetarian type chicken, then they're still feeding the chicken corn and soy. So if you want to make sure you avoid that. Dairy. I mean, if you're eating meat, cow, I mean, they're going to have soy in their milk if they're digesting that. Number six, alcohol. Alcohol, there's studies that show that alcohol, beer, man, beer gives us that beer belly. Beer, they have studies that it shows symptoms of feminization. So if you wine, these things, I'm not saying don't do it. I'm just making you guys aware that these are suppressing our testosterone and our contributing factors that we just never knew that the things that we love and enjoy are actually detrimental to us, and they're not helping us at all. So we end up having issues, and we don't know where the root cause of it, because we just live in a culture where this is it. Number seven, tap water. So if you are drinking out of tap water, get you a filter. Number eight, canned food and drinks that has the BPA. Okay, now these companies are super smart. They are super smart. They're thinking light years ahead of us. What they do is that you got to be careful for the cans that you get that says non-BPA. Why? Because there's a cousin to BPA called BPS that is also a soy-based. So you got to be careful. Even if it says non-BPA, check and see if it has BPS, because they're always figuring out a way to trick and get it in there somehow, some way, changing up the name. Number nine, 90% of frozen food. If you look on the back, 90% of frozen food has some type of soy in it. So you may want to, consider avoiding that. Number 10, man, sweets, cookies, ice cream, energy bars, fitness bars. When you go get those fitness bars, you're like, okay, man, this is healthy. Look on the back. I bet you it has soy in it. Yeah, sorry. So those are the 10 things that you guys want to look out for in terms of avoiding. These 10 things suppresses testosterone. Again, soy causes erectile dysfunction. Soy causes problems with your prostate. Soy increases your estrogen levels. You start to get man boobs. You start to get a belly. You begin to figure out why I can't lose this fat on me. So those are some of the things that you want to do. So I'm not saying don't eat these things. What I am saying is that they do suppress your testosterone. They do increase your estrogen levels, which thus feminizes feminizes us. So, that's your choice. What you want to do? You want to still, you want your estrogen go up. You want to, you want your testosterone to go up. You got to make that choice. So once you make that choice, then, it is what it is.